Hi guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. You know, a few days ago, I put a video out. It was a YouTube short about small YouTube creators should get a play button. Well, we ain't getting no play button, that's for sure. As a small YouTube creator, we are not going to get one. Maybe when you hit the 100,000 subscriber mark, you'll get one, and you'll get that silver play button, and when you hit the million subscriber mark, then you'll get that gold play button. But in the meantime, you could show your achievements of how your channel is growing, how many subscribers you got, how much watch time you got, and I'm going to show you how to go about getting that there. But before we do that, I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It is greatly appreciated. I hope you like the content and you come back for more. If this is the first time hitting my YouTube channel, I like to talk about how I create my videos, the software I use. I want to share tips and tricks on how to become a better YouTube creator. And this video pertains to the small YouTube creators such as myself. So just want to put that out there, and I'm going to go to two sites, and I have no affiliate links with them outside of using their services. So without further ado, I said in one of the videos, I'm going to put it out there now. This video is being created with Filmora 11.5.9 is the latest video editing software they came out with. That's the latest update. And I am not getting anything for this, so just to let you guys know, just a little disclaimer out there. But that's what this video is being created with as we speak. Alright, it's being recorded right now, of course. But these are all the nice things you could do with it. Picture in picture, green screen, split screen, auto reframe, screen recorder, AI portrait. Okay, you could create speeds, create a speed simple of Simple Air or whatever. And these are the things: speed ramping, masking, auto beat sync, and so on. Okay. It's got a lot of great features, a lot of great perks, and if you are new to starting a YouTube channel and you don't know what video editing software to use, I highly recommend you use Wondershare. Filmora 11.5.9 is the latest version. Okay, so check it out. These are the things that come with it. It's a free download for Windows. It'll tell you over here, and for the Mac version, you can do that as well if they have it for Mac. And these are the devices: 4K, HD video, share, and DVD, and so forth. Trusted over here by our community of over 85 million users. Okay, so we got that there. All right. Now, with that set aside, in order to print out and share with Facebook and Twitter, you're going to need to go to vidIQ and sign up with them. And you can sign up with your Google account, or you can enter your email address, either or. And once you log in, you sign up with them, you log in, you will be able to have that basic service, which is for free. I got the free service, so if that's what you would look for, I look for the free stuff, because for me, as a frugal entrepreneur, I like freebie stuff. And if I get almost the same effects out of using the freebies, I will do it. Okay? All right. Enough with the chatter. The reason why I showed you this one here is because in order to use the features I'm going to talk to you about, you're going to have to sign up with vidIQ. As far as I know, that's the way I've been signed up with them, and that's how I'm able to print out the certificates and so on and so forth. So we're going to go to my YouTube homepage here, and as you can see here, I have over here my basic web page. Created this part here, just to let you know. I believe I did this with Canva, just to let you know. And I will be doing videos on Canva and Adobe Express too. So I got some stuff I want to share with you guys. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and hit that bell notification icon if you want to be updated as to when I post out new videos. It's the only way you're going to find out. I do pretty good videos, I think so. I'm not a professional videographer or a professional photographer, but I do put out decent videos. And the most important thing I say when it comes to watching my videos is that you, the viewer, and hopefully will be a subscriber, will get a takeaway from it. Because, folks, that is the most important thing when it comes to watching my videos, okay? My videos, for all intents and purposes, as you can see right here, on the bottom tag right over here, it says help, inspire, and share. And that's what I want to do. That's what this YouTube channel is created for, and that's what I'm going to stick to it. Okay? I will be talking about different topics because I am a vlogger. I will probably be talking about the software I use to create my videos, which I did in the beginning over here, that I use Filmora. And I will show you tips and tricks on how I create my videos and so on and so forth. I have a lot of stuff to share with you guys. So I hope you'll take that initiative. Give me a chance. I hope you like my videos. I hope you like me, and I hope you'll hit that subscribe button because I really want to grow this channel, and I need your help, guys. I really do. You know, as I say in my other videos, I don't have a book to sell you. I don't have a dream to sell you, but what I do have is to share information with you guys. And with me one day, not too near distant future, I'd like to put out merch and maybe even join the Patreon, get a Patreon account where if you guys like my videos, you may want to contribute to maybe buying merch or with the Patreon account to help support this YouTube channel, to help it grow. I respond to nice comments, so if you guys have any comments or suggestions, please drop it below. And I'm always willing to, hear you guys out. I will respond to your comments. Okay, if there's something you want me to talk about, please, let me know. I also do the reseller news and the Let's Talk eBay. Okay, so that will come because I'm also an online reseller, so I like to share information with that as well. And again, with those topics, I hope you get a takeaway from it as well. Okay, enough said with that. What you're going to do is when you go to your YouTube homepage here, like I have here, you're going to move that mouse cursor over here and you're going to go right down. This is after you sign up with vidIQ. Now, the thing is, if you're brand spanking new, I don't know how much data it's going to put out there because I've been on YouTube since 2013. Okay, so what does it make it 10 years, 9-10 years? So I have, I've been on there, so it's going to probably take a while. But when you make these achievements, why not share it with social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook? Put it out there. Be proud. You're not being boastful, and you're not bragging. You're just sharing, your achievements, and there's nothing wrong with that, folks. It is no difference than when you go to those YouTube channels and you see the awards and people are opening up their boxes for the first time and they're showing you the silver play button they got because they hit 100,000 subscribers, or when they get that big box and they open it up and it's that gold play button because they hit 1 million subscribers. Okay, it's nothing wrong. Is that bragging? I don't look at it as bragging. I think it's something that they're happy. They're very in a celebrative mood. They want to share with the world, and why not? But like I said, I did that YouTube short about getting small YouTubers should get a play button for hitting that threshold in order to get monetized. You have to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. I mean, I think it would be nice if YouTube did that for us small YouTube creators. But, some people may say, look, I don't really care about having. Well, it's nice to have, though. Just like it's nice to have this achievement of things that you could, these little certificates that you could put out there. All right, so here they are. Here's the achievements. And again, this is from, what do you call it, vidIQ. Let me just move me over here like that, right there. Put me over here for now. Okay. And if you look over here, you could also, not only can you share it, you could also print out a certificate if you choose to do so. Very simple. If you hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, what you do is just come over here. And again, this is for the newbies. This is for the newbies, just to let you know. When you print it, you can print it out. You can download it. You hit the download button over here. And you could also share it online. Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. There's nothing wrong with it, folks. Trust me, there's nothing wrong with it, okay? It's something to be proud of. If you have uploads over here, I got over here, 1,500. Actually, it's 1,567. Again, you could share that. 25,000 hours of watch time. If you could share that. 36 subscribers that I achieved from April 2020. Here's over here. 650,000 views, which I think it's a little more now. But they also give you a projection. Well, there's anyway. It says on pace for 700,000 viewers by February 11th, 2023. It'd be nice if I can get more viewers than that. I'd like to get 1 million views. I'd like to get 1 million views before the new year starts, but I don't know if that's going to happen. 5,000 likes. Thank you so much for the people who like my videos. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's greatly appreciated. I really do. I really do appreciate it. Here over here, 2,500 comments. Okay. I'm on track for 3,000 comments by May 18, 2023. Who knows? Maybe before that I'll get them. Here's over here, 16,000.4K views. Okay. And that was from April, achieved on April 2020. Here's another one. Likes achieved on July 20, 2022. 152 likes. Again, thank you for the likes. Didn't I just do something over here with that? Oh, I got over here 5,000 likes over here. Okay, they put it, I don't know why they did it like that there. Okay, is that the same thing? Yeah, 152. Okay, well, at least it's growing anyway. And the comments, 106 comments from March. It was achieved on March 2018. And believe it or not, look at this, folks. This video here was a demo video, is how I started, right? I started out just talking about a little basic Microsoft, what do you call it there, mouse. And this was done on March 4th, 2022. It received 60,000 views. And I'm a small YouTube creator, you know. But anyway, and there's nothing wrong with the folks. I'm just putting this video out here. So, you small YouTube creators such as myself who achieve these goals, why not share it with people? I did. Matter of fact, I did the one recently. I just did this one up here for 1,500 uploads. I just shared that one. That should be up there on my Twitter account. I'm also going to share it on Facebook as well. I don't think I did. But it's cut and dry to do it. And again, you could also print that certificate too. Keep it for yourself. Okay? Yeah, and if you want, like I said here, you just click on the Facebook. I did Facebook here. I got a couple of Facebook. I got a few Facebook groups, and all I got to do is just click it over here. I could type in something like this here, check it out, whatever, and then hit post to Facebook, which I usually, sometimes I say something about, sometimes I don't, and now it's posted on my Facebook group for Richard J. Pacini. Okay, it's really cut and dry, folks. And again, how to get there, let's just recap it really quick, and I'm going to close this video out. When you're at your YouTube homepage, just go over here where my mouse is, go to the far left, scroll down to achievements. But as I said earlier, subscribe to, or subscribe to vidIQ. They give good tips too. Believe me, they help you out as well. You could do two things. You could sign up with your Google account, or you can enter an email address. Okay. And they got other things that they got for different things. You can go with different tiers. This is the basic one, which I have is for free. You can get the Pro, which is $7.50 a month. The Boost, $39. And if you want to go Max, that's group coaching. That's $79 a month. But for all intents and purposes, and like I said again, being a frugal entrepreneur, I'll stick with the basic one right now. Okay. All right. That's all I have for you guys right now. If you get a chance, check out my YouTube channel. Check out my other videos. Okay, I did quite a bit of videos. I did some shorts and stuff like that here. I hope you guys could check them out if you got the time and see what I'm all about. Here's my short videos over here. So, yeah. Like I said, 1,567 videos. That's quite a bit for a small YouTube creator such as myself. But anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. I got a lot of videos coming up. I got a lot of different things I want to share with you guys. And again, if you are new to my YouTube channel, I do love sharing information, and it pertains to business, like a meeting with the online reselling. I share, like I said again, I do the reseller news, I do the Let's Talk eBay, and I'm also a vlogger. And I will be talking about different topics, but it's all business related. And it's, again, if I repeated myself, I do apologize. It's to help you, not hinder you. Okay, seriously, I want to help people out, and this is the best way to do it right now. And folks, I'm hoping I can get a couple more subscribers to hit that 1150 mark. All I need is 2 more to hit the 1150 mark. You probably say, what do you need that for? Well, well, it lets my channel grow. It lets me know that I'm getting some feedback. I'm getting some response from the videos I put out. So if you guys would be as kind to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and if you want to be updated when I post that in the videos, please hit that bell notification icon. My name is Rich Bassini. Thank you again for taking the time out to check out my video, and I hope you check out the other ones. I hope you like the content I put out. I hope you like me. And again, you could let me know by just hitting that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up button. That'd be greatly be appreciated. All right, so good luck. And for those who are, think about starting a YouTube channel, my advice to you, if you're thinking about it, because a lot of people have a problem when it comes to starting a YouTube channel. They don't know what to start about, how to go about starting it. And I could just tell you from my own experience, really brief, I started out doing demo videos, sneak peek videos, and intro videos. And as time went on, I started branching off into other things. But I will say this, as far as a tip from my own experiences, keep it original, keep it real, and let your channel grow organically. And in due time, you will get subscribers and your channel will grow. And the other tip I want to share with you guys is when it comes to processing your video, you may want to use Filmora 11. I think it's great, user-friendly. It's like a cut and paste type of program as far as I'm concerned. I love it. I use it a lot. But when it comes to, that's for editing your videos, but when it comes to actually uploading, have good thumbnails, good titles, right? That's another tip. And don't forget to be pretty definitive, if you could, within your description, telling it what it is. Now, I know I do short descriptions of my videos, but even if it's short, if you keep it cryptic, but just let the person know, or let your potential viewers know what your video is going to be all about. It gives them a little idea as to whether they want to watch the whole thing or not. I create long videos. Unfortunately, I don't get a lot of watch time there. The average view duration on some videos is like maybe 3 to 4 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes. It all depends. Depends how much interest the person might have in that specific topic. But for the most part, I don't get a lot of high views. Like I don't get that many views of my videos. I'm working on it. Still trying to work on it, try to make it work. So we'll see where it goes. And I share my personal experiences with you guys on how I grew my channel. So I hope you guys will take me up on an offer and check me out for a couple of times. Check a couple of my videos out and see where it goes from there. All right. Good luck to you. Talk to you the next time. Bye-bye for now.